welcome to another tip of the day. Today is a tip on reflection stamping. So when you're stamping an image and you'd like to add a reflection of that image, it's really easy to do. You don't need any special tools, just some acetate here and an ink that doesn't have a really high solvent content. And by that I mean something like a StazOn that's likely to dry on the acetate reasonably quickly. So the first thing I need to do is stamp my original image, and this is the front facing, the upright image, the one that's the right way around. So I'll just stamp that in the middle there. This works really well with words actually. I'm just going to re-ink my stamp then. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect because sometimes reflections are a little bit out of focus, they can be a little bit less perfect. And I'm going to stamp onto my acetate there. So just press that down onto the acetate as gently as possible because I don't want it to move about. I don't want it to get smudged. Then I'm going to take that acetate and I'm just going to bring it over upside down. So I've just flipped it so the wet ink is on the base. I'm just going to place it down underneath the original stamp. I'm going to hold this very, very still and I'm just going to press onto the wording there. So I'm pressing the ink into the cardstock while it's still damp. I'm not going to rub because that will easily move the acetate around on the paper and I'll end up with a smudged image. So just pressing over, and don't forget with a reflection very often it's less clear. So this is fine if you miss any spots. And there we go. We have the perfect reflection of that original image. Now if you were creating a card where this was a waterline and we had the water, maybe a sunset or something, that would look absolutely perfect.